Hey folks, do you love to watch pimple popping, but don't want bad acne on your skin? Here is a new anti-wrinkle beauty peel, the latest in Asian beauty secrets. And it's taken the world by storm. This 24-karat gold mask uses ion nanoparticles to help replenish collagen and accelerate collagen renewal.
I feel really smooth and refreshing.
Don't suffer from bad acne like this again. There's an Amazon link below to the premium edition, which is good for about 10 uses, and it's under 20 bucks. So check it out. Hey folks, today we're going to look at a 24-karat gold facial mask. You just apply it, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and peel it off. The intent of the mask is to restore collagen and clean out your pores. The masks retail from $20 to over $200 on Amazon, but I'm gonna put a link below to one that's under 20 bucks, and it's absolutely amazing. So, if you want to reduce your wrinkles and clean your skin, then pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link below. It's a great gift to give and a great gift to get.